up everybody, Jordan here, back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some products from Five Boroughs Grooming Company, formerly known as Beard Brothers. Yeah, I'll have their website and their Instagram link down below. I've done content for them before, and Johnny, the owner, has been on my live streams before, as well as my podcast. I'll have those linked down below as well. If you want to hear a bit more about Johnny, use code JCC to save 15% on all Five Boroughs products. Yeah. Let's get started. Alrighty, yeah, so Five Boroughs is based in New York. The owners are Johnny and Vinny. They make handmade small batch men's grooming products, and definitely some of the best branding and marketing content in the small batch men's grooming game and beard game. And next, let's talk about the ingredients used. Alrighty, yeah, so in the emu blend for the beard oil, it's emu oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, apricot oil, castor oil, vitamin E, and then fragrance oils for scent. And then in the signature blend beard oil, that's castor oil, vitamin E, and then fragrance oils for scent, so no emu oil in that one. Beard butter was recently reformulated, so it's got shea butter, emu oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, apricot oil, castor oil, vitamin E, and then fragrance oils for scent. It used to have BTMS 25, but Johnny got rid of that and adjusted the blend. Next, let's discuss the scents that I got. Alrighty, yeah, so I got the infamous, which is barbershop, white musk, blackberry, and tobacco, as well as Liberty, which is blue musk, summer orange, fresh blueberries, big apple, black pepper, and dark vanilla. And then Five Boroughs' newest scent is called To Beard Co. It's pipe tobacco, Cuban tobacco, sweet tobacco, tonka bean, and vanilla. Yeah, without further ado, let's unbox these products and check them out. Alrighty, yeah, so before we unbox this stuff, the emu beard oil is $19.99 USD. The signature beard oil is $14.99 USD, and then 2-ounce beard butter is $19.99 USD. They also have 1-ounce beard butter as of recently. Yeah, I'll have all the website information linked down below. Check that out, and then yeah, let's get into these products. Alright, then we got a pouch within a pouch, so nice and secure. Always nice to see that, because some of these shipping companies get a little crazy. So we got my, like what I ordered with a little note. Thanks for the support, Jordan. Hope you enjoy the new butter and the new scents. One Love 23, FBG, Five Boroughs Grooming. That's pretty cool. Got a couple stickers with the new logo on them, Five Boroughs Grooming. Those are dope. Alright, so then we got To Beard Co. Really cool label. This is in the emu blend. That's what it looks like right there. Really cool. And then next, we got Liberty in the signature blend. Alright, then we got the infamous. This is also in the emu blend. And then we got the 2-ounce unscented beard butter as well. Really nice glass jars with the X on the side there for unscented. And it says unscented there as well, with the logo on top. Yeah, and that's everything in the box. So let's check out these scents. So we'll start off with To Beard Co, because that's the newest one. Oh, yeah, I knew I was gonna like this one. Yeah, so the profile on this one is pipe tobacco, Cuban tobacco, sweet tobacco, tonka bean, and warm vanilla. So I definitely get the pipe tobacco off the top. Sweet tobacco's there in the background. Oh yeah, can't wait to rock that in beard. That's awesome. Next we got Liberty, which is blue musk, summer orange, fresh blueberries, big apple, black pepper, and dark vanilla. Ooh, it's like a darker than I was expecting, but like with some sweetness in the background, which I'm sure will expand as like once I get this in beard. Ooh, yeah, that's gonna be nice. And then we got the infamous, and this one here is barbershop, white musk, blueberry, and tobacco. Yeah, clean and sweet at the same time. Definitely get that barbershop, the white musk, but then the blackberry kind of creeps in there in the background. Oh yeah, very, very nice. Let's take a look at this butter. Might be a little melted because it's super hot today. Oh, it's actually not. Nice, but nice and smooth, no scent. Truly unscented. Can't wait to rock this in beard, but from what I've heard, it's pretty solid. That's the scents that I got. Let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, yeah, so these are all dope scents. Definitely excited to rock these in beard. Probably gonna start with To Beard Co, because that's the newest scent, and I'm a big fan of tobacco scents, as you've known if you've watched my beard product videos before. Yeah, shout out to Johnny for also throwing in the To Beard Co with my order. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And then use code JCC to save 15% on all Five Boroughs Grooming Co products. Yeah, check out Five Boroughs Instagram and website link down below in the description. Yeah, thanks again for watching. I'll be back for more soon.